Hey guys, this is Todd here with another unboxing video for Amcrest. And today we're looking at our most popular 2K doorbell camera, the AD410. This affordable Ultra HD camera features a stunning 4 megapixel resolution with a super wide viewing angle of 164 degrees. It has a built-in microphone and speaker, allowing for two-way audio that lets you talk to visitors without having to get up and answer the door. It features human detection that allows the doorbell to only send notifications if a human figure is detected. The camera is equipped with a heavy-duty IP65 weatherproof housing that protects against dust and harsh levels of wind and rain. This doorbell camera comes with flexible storage options including cloud or an SD card. So, inside the box we found a few items worth talking about. First, let's look at the brackets. There are 3 brackets included here, and this one here is the mounting bracket. It fits snugly on the back of your doorbell, and it's required when mounting onto any wall or surface. Then we have our optional brackets. There's the corner bracket and the wedge bracket. Now most of the time you won't need these, but depending on your situation, your existing doorbell may be installed at an awkward angle, or it's positioned too low or maybe too high, and these brackets can help to ensure a more optimal viewing angle for your doorbell. The corner bracket can be used to angle the doorbell 15 degrees horizontally in either direction, and the wedge bracket can be used similarly to angle the doorbell bracket vertically up or down by 5 degrees. The box also includes a masonry drill bit. So before you're able to mount your doorbell, you're going to need to drill a couple of holes in your wall in order to firmly secure your mounting bracket. But if your wall is made of concrete, stucco, or brick, using a normal drill bit is not going to work. That's why we included this masonry drill bit. It's designed specifically for drilling holes into the toughest wall surfaces. And the last accessory included is the Chime kit. Whenever your doorbell rings, you've probably heard the familiar ding-dong sound that most doorbells make. But that sound isn't coming from your doorbell necessarily. It usually comes from a small box somewhere in your house, and that small box is called a chime. Now what this Chime kit does is it regulates power to that chime that you already have in your house so that when someone presses in on your new doorbell, that same chime will be activated, making that familiar ding-dong noise in your house. And we have a separate video on how to install this Chime kit, which I'll add in the description below. Now it's important to know that this doorbell is not battery powered. It's actually powered by using your home's existing doorbell wiring. So as long as you have a normal doorbell at home, this should be able to replace it no problem. And one of the biggest concerns with doorbell cameras is the amount of false notifications that you might be getting just from unwanted moving objects such as trees, birds, even cars. Now this camera has a smart feature called human detection. That allows the doorbell to only send notifications if a human figure or body part is detected. With the Amcrest Smart Home app, you can easily and remotely see who's at the door and even talk to your visitor. Let's go ahead and add this camera to the app and see how easy it is to set up. So before you actually go and install your camera outside, replacing your doorbell, we do recommend actually plugging it in with a USB cable and actually setting it up with the app before installation. So I've gone ahead and plugged it in with the USB cable so the camera is powered and it's on. And then we're going to use the Amcrest Smart Home app to install it. So once you have your Amcrest Smart Home app installed, we're going to go ahead and open the app. Okay. And then on the main screen, we're going to press Add Device. It's going to ask us to scan a QR code. And we have a QR code right here on the back of our camera. There's also a QR code on the box. If you've already installed your camera, you can use the QR code on the box. So here it's going to show us the doorbell installation instructions. So we can just press next. And then there's a video here for the Chime installation. We're going to click next. So now it says, please ensure your device is powered on, which it is, and then wait until the blue indicator light is spinning. Now it's kind of hard to see. Yeah, it's too bright for you to see it here, but there is a little blue light spinning around in a circle there. And then when it's spinning, then you go ahead and press next. And so now my phone is connecting to the doorbell. Go ahead and press connect. Connection successful. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and set up a password for our camera. And we can set a recovery email, but for this, we're not going to. We're just going to press OK. And then it's going to ask you to select your Wi-Fi. So I'm going to go ahead and select our Wi-Fi. Go ahead and connect. And so now what it's saying is that we should wait until the light on the front turns to solid blue. And if it turns to solid blue, that means that it was successful in connecting to our Wi-Fi network. If it's not, then it's going to keep flashing. So again,
successfully connected to network.
It just told me that it's connected to network, and if you can see, which it's hard to see, that it is a solid blue light on there right now. And normally when it's installed outside, it'll be much more clear. So yeah, we're just going to press next, and it was added successfully. So we can press start live view. And we're connecting to the camera, and there it is. There we go. Added, no problem. So if you have any questions about this model, or if you have this camera and you're having problems, please feel free to leave a comment below. We're more than happy to help you guys out. And don't forget to like and subscribe, as we will be releasing more videos like this in the near future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.